Good morning everyone. Welcome po sa ating Philippine Sports Writers Association ngayong araw ng Martes. Sa ngalan po ng inyong mga regular moderators na sina Ms. Judith Carinal ng Radyo Pilipinas Dos at Sir Randy Caluwag, ako po muna ang inyong makakasama ngayong umaga, Ria Arevalo po from Radyo Pilipinas Dos Sports. And today, napakapalad po natin dahil makakasama po natin ang ating mga national athletes and of course, the top official ng Philippine Squash Academy. Pag-usapan po natin sa unang bahagi ng ating PSA Forum ang patungkol sa dalawang mga importanteng tournament na i-host ng ating bansa. Yung Philippine Satellite and Challenge Tournaments ng Philippine Squash Academy na kanila nga pong isasagawa for the dry run for the qualifiers to the 2028 LA Olympics. So ngayon po ay kasama natin sa atin ng harapan ang Pangulo ng Philippine Squash Academy, Sir Robert Bachman. Magandang umaga po, Sir Robert.
Good morning, everyone. I'll just introduce the.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. On my far right, you have Raymart Pigornia. He's currently our #1 squash player for men's. Then our new head coach, Leeward Low, former world #5. And on my left, you have Christopher Braga, our #1 junior player. Asian ranking is number 11 on the boys under 19. And then on my far left, you have Jamaica Arivado, our #1 women's player. World ranking would be 130. Max world ranking is 240. So we're still working on the progress that we have to go through to bring improve their world ranking. Which is one of the, I guess, criteria for qualification to the LA 2028.
Okay. So, hinga naman natin ng opening remarks yung ilan sa ating mga atleta. So, our national champion, Raymart Pigornia. Good morning. Welcome sa PSA Forum.
Ay, good morning po sa inyo lahat. Raymart Pigornia po.
And then, sa women's side naman ang national champion natin, si Miss Jamaica Arivado. Welcome sa PSA.
Good morning and thank you for having us here.
Okay. Our top junior squash player, Christopher Braga.
Good morning po sa inyo lahat.
Okay. And of course, our foreign national coach, Coach Leeward Low. Welcome, Coach, here at the
Good
PSA.
morning. Yeah, thank you for having all of us here today.
Okay. Sir Robert, dalawang mga importanteng torneo po ang i-host ng PSA this month para dun sa dry run po natin for the qualifiers. Ang squash ay bahagi ng 2028 LA Olympics.
Yeah, we decided to host 2 events this year just to help our athletes improve their world ranking points. At the same time, for those athletes that are not part of the PSA program or the PSA World Tour, is to take that exposure to meet to challenge or to compete against the world's best. So we have the Philippine Satellite 1 2024, which is going to be held in the National Squash Center on October 22 to 25. Then after that, we'll rest for 2 days, and then we have the Philippine Challenger Classic. That would be October 27 to the 31st.
So Sir Robert, aside from the Philippines, ano pong mga bansa yung in-expect nating mag-compete dito? Meron po bang foreign?
Yes, definitely. We have about we're a total of 10 countries, including the Philippines. So I would pass it on to she's in charge of the lineup.
Okay, yeah. So yes, we'll be having 2 tournaments here in the National Center. For the first tournament, it will be both men and women. So we will have top players, our players competing against the best players. But for the second tournament, it will be just men's. That one we will have a total of 10 countries. Our number 1 seed at the moment is Mr. Tomotaka Endo from Japan, ranked 150 in the world. We will have players from Japan, Korea, Bahrain, Hong Kong, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, and Egypt as well competing in Manila coming this month. So it will be a big tournament for us, not just for our players to challenge better players in the world, but also to have the younger kids watch how these players are on and off the court for them to learn. So I think this will provide a good opportunity for our team to learn from the better players.
Gaano ka-excited ang ating mga top players? Jamaica, ikaw, paano mo pinaghahandaan yung upcoming tournaments?
Ayun, good morning po. Ayun po, working with Coach Lee sa coach po namin, maganda po yung program ng training po namin for preparation for the upcoming tournament. And excited po ako na mag-host po yung Philippines and gaganapin po yung tournament sa National Center. So sobrang excited po makakita ng iba't ibang player na magkano po sa iba't ibang country.
Si Christopher ba? Magko-compete ka rin, Christopher?
Yes.
Paano mo pinaghahandaan yung upcoming events?
Sa program din po ni Coach Lee, sinusunod lang din po namin kung ano yung pinapagawa rin po niya. Tulad po nung sa gym, mostly po sa court training po. As excited din po ako makakapanood ng magagandang laban sa tournament po na.
Okay. Si Raymond, kamusta yung preparasyon mo para dito sa big tournament na i-host natin?
Ngayon po, maganda po yung preparation namin. Sa tulong po ni Coach Weaver, natututukan po niya kami sa court and sa gym workout. So, nagbibigay po siya ng tactic and nagbibigay niya rin po yung mga kailangan talaga namin drills. And talagang masasabi ko po is preparado po kami para sa parating na tournament.
Transfer, so there's